Meaning of downward.
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 Downward. The term downward refers to the direction of movement or flow in a downward direction, typically towards the ground or lower level. When something moves downward, it is moving from a higher position to a lower position. This can refer to physical movement of objects or even conceptual movement such as a decrease in value. The result of a downward movement could be a fall, decline, decrease, or loss of elevation. In general, the direction of downward movement is opposite to upward movement or ascent.